So this is our Finwood house project here. It's been a fun little project. This is a nice small house. A little over 2 months ago, we had a foundation poured, and now we have an actual house that you can walk through and look at. We've spray foamed the roof and batted the walls, got sheetrock hung, floated, some primer put on the walls, and now we're doing some trim work. So we'll be doing some flooring, putting some cabinets in, and then getting some final paint here pretty soon. This wall is a little thicker because there's plumbing in this wall. Our plumbing and our conduit that's going to go to our island comes from this wall. So we do this light coat of primer on everything, which helps us see whether or not the sheetrock is level, or if it has waves in it, or if it's uneven. You can tell a little bit when it gets taped and a little mud put on it. You can start seeing that things are out of whack, but you don't actually see the final finish until you put paint on it. So that's why we have our guys come in and do light coat of primer on everything. Our rule of thumb is just do it right the first time, because if you can't do it right the first time, you're not going to find time to do it right twice. We're giving this house a little flash on the inside. We're not trying to make it not fit with the area. We want it to kind of flow with everything here. The Stricklin and Porter pizzazz, you know, just a little touch of us in everything. Our cabinet guy, Sam, he's got our boxes built. He's working on the face frames for our drawers and cabinet doors. We'll have some flooring coming in pretty soon. Our trim carpenters are here. They're doing some trim work for us and getting that ahead of the game on that. So hopefully before too much longer, you guys will be able to actually see some painted cabinets in here. To follow along with Stricklin and Porter's projects, hit that like button and subscribe now.